Hi friends, welcome to Setu's Biology and Creativity. Today our creativity is how to make pen stand with papers in 5 minutes. Let's see. Required materials are any cardboard, scissor, any color papers. Here I was taken the orange and green. Any type of the gum we can use here. These are the required materials. Let's start the procedure. Let's take the colored papers. Here first I am going to take the orange colored paper and I am going to fold that paper into different partitions for about 2 centimeter each. Let's see how I am going to fold the paper. After folding the paper, cut the remaining waste in the paper and cut all the 4 partitions what I was folded over here. Let's see how many partitions came in that paper. Let's cut the paper. So after cutting the paper, we have got the 4 partitions of the colored papers over here. Like that only we are going to take the other paper, that is green color paper, and fold that paper also in which centimeter we was cut the orange colored paper before. So by taking that measurement, we are going to fold the green color paper also in the same pattern in which way we folded the orange colored paper. After folding the green color paper, here we are going to remove the waste over that. After removing, we get the 4 partitions of the green color paper as usual how we cut the orange colored paper. So now orange and green color paper cuts was prepared. So keep it side. Later we are going to take the white color papers over here. One side of the white color we required over here. So after taking the white color papers, we are going to wrap those papers with the help of the stick. So slowly wrap the white color papers like a sticks. Slowly. Let's see how I am going to wrap those papers. It's very easy. After wrapping the paper, at the end of the paper, let's stick it with the gum. Any type of the gum we can use here. So, like this, we are going to wrap the paper as a sticks. So, now what we was cutted beforely the colored papers, so that colored papers was again wrapped to the sticks what was prepared by us with the white papers. Let's see how I am going to wrap the colored paper to the white paper stick. So at the end of the paper, let's stick it with the gum. Like this. We are going to prepare the sticks of the paper. Like that we prepared the 4 green color, 4 orange colored sticks. After preparing, now bend the sticks at the center what we was pasted with the colored paper, then fold the ends, either ends of the stick in that way, so we can get the triangle shape. So the 2 ends are sticked with the gums. Like this we are going to prepare the triangles of the each colored wrapped sticks of the papers. So now we are going to take the any cardboard over here. For that cardboard we are going to cut the cardboard in the shape of the triangle what was prepared by us with the colored papers. So I am going to cut the cardboard in the shape of the triangle what we was prepared before. Let's say I am going to cut the cardboard in that way, and we are going to cut the triangle. So we have prepared the base for this. So let's stick that base with the gum. So we have sticked that with gum. Later in this pattern what I am showing over here, in this pattern we are going to paste that triangle wraps in that position in upward manner. Like this we can get the pen stand. So here I was stick it with the gum completely. So the pen stand was prepared over here. This is a 5 minutes procedure, very easy, and I like it also. So this was a pen stand. You can see over here. It looks very beautiful, very pretty, and very easy to make also, and low budget also. Now we can keep the pens in the pen stand. In that way, whatever materials you want to keep, you can keep over there. And scissor also I am going to keep. Like this, we can keep any material in that pen stand based on the space was there in that stand. I think you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share and like. Thank you so much.